a 12-3 run to cap off the third from Ino Comboy and the rest of the Batangas City Tanduayra Masters. They have pulled ahead 54-50. You see the quarter scoring pretty much close
Yeah.
all the way, Coach Mike.
Oh, tsaka yung pagtapos ng stronger nitong Ram Masters really mattered most on how that third quarter went. Nung mainit yung 3-point shooting para dito kay Alfred Santos early in the third quarter, medyo tumamlay sa dulo because of yung depensa rin nitong Batangas Ram Masters, and then really just running off defensive coverages and turning them into points.
Carl Bringas playing a lot of minutes for Bataan so far. 5.6 rebounds. Well, to begin the third period for Bataan, it was Alvin Flores who got things going for them. Pero si John Nermal nga, no, yung naging susi sa pagbalik naman itong Batangas City.
Totoo ka dyan. And kanina at the half, Batangas actually had only 3 fast break points. And after the third, they got 11 more fast break points. Really credit to defense turning into offense para sa Ram Masters. But they gotta make shots like this.
Flores, Sablay, Abdul Sawat.
Markado na si Alfred Flores, and they're not allowing him to be, just comfortably free on the weak side of the floor.
John Nermal tagged with the offensive foul.
Yeah, that is just Alfred Flores being clever. Inanapan niya lang ng momentum kung saan it would look na talagang pabagsak siya because of that contact by John Nermal. And so that's why John Nermal saying it was a flop.
Oy,
What a
gandang
pass.
pasa doon. Kaya lang, hindi nasalo ng maayos ni Carl Bringas. John Nermal, susugo, dire-diretso for the layup. 19 points for John Nermal.
With John Nermal in Batangas, you know what you're getting? You're getting a second Seda Blaza. Can post up, moves without the ball, and can score on transition. You gotta clear that out for Chris to operate.
Actually, Coach Mike, to be honest, I don't think they've had that type of player that John Nermal
Yes.
is during the past 4 seasons.
Well, the closest to the one that they got like that is maybe just Levi Hernandez. But, iba rin yung dynamics kasi nito ni John Nermal eh. And he really just influences on the offensive end in as much as he does on the defensive side.
Ako kasi ang glaring sa akin yung length. Actually, we harp on it time and time again, the length. And we've seen that particularly on the defensive end where they've had a lot of deflections already. And Batangas, even before the preseason, in seasons past, they've always been a solid defensive team. Now you add on John Nermal, etong si Ruin William Bing, merong pang added layer sa kung anong kaya nila defensively.
Tsaka tumangkad eh. Tumangkad yung roster nitong Batangas Ram Masters. Abdul Sawat with a shot.
No good. But to Bataan's credit, they're hanging in there.
Yes.
And they've actually, at times, able to execute. And also yung mga effort plays ni Carl Bringas, going for those 50-50 balls.
It's really more of the quality of shots for the Risers. The threes have been taken away from them and they can't get enough paint touches. Matter of fact, if I recall correctly, their last field goal makes have really been from the outside. Very rarely have we seen them get paint points. And it's just been ball moving around in the perimeter.
Ino Comboy, King Importante, Seda Plaza, Rin William Bing, and Don Ochea, the unit for Coach Cholo. Quick pass, Ablaza fires it to Rin William Bing, the dipsy-do! Rin William Bing His first points since the first quarter, where he had the first 5 points for Batangas City. Chris Javier. Pull up J. Ayaw. Ablaza nakuha yung rebound. Comboy will slow things down. 4-point lead for the Rum Masters. Mahigit 3 minuto na nakalipas dito sa ating fourth period. 3 galing kay Comboy. Wala.
Oh no.
Ablaza saving it to Comboy. Shot fake. Between the legs dribble. The cut. Tonochea. No good. Agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Carl Bringas. Numbers para dito sa Bataan. Tutoy Ramirez will not force it up.
Well, Chris Javier got frustrated. He already had Ced Ablaza behind him, and the guards didn't see him down there on the post-up.
What a cut from Ramirez. A free. Chris Javier for free. That was a good look. Ayaw lang pumasok. Importante. Sila naman ngayon ang may numbers advantage. Recovery from Flores, who tried to poke that ball free, but he was whistled with a foul.
That was a clean look earlier. See this finish right here. Rinwil Yambing. Oh my God.
Gliding through the lane. Picture perfect, Coach Mike.
And to your point, wala ka nakitang ganyang klase ng athleticism in the recent rosters of itong Batangas Rum Masters. And you know, Rinwil and John Nermal just brings it up this season.
Ablaza, libreng-libre, pasok yan.
Baseline out of bounds, I'm telling you.
Kanina pa,
One of
no?
the best to execute, no? The Batangas Rum Masters.
Alfred Flores has yet to score here in the fourth.
Nice dive.
Entry pass, Chris Javier operating down low. Another foul drawn by Chris Javier.
Yeah, and sometimes as a coach, you understand you really can't defend everything, and so you have to make a decision which ones do you want to give up. And it seems that right now it's the three-point shooting that they're willing to give up because the shots have not really fallen for the Risers. Meantime, they can't give up the paint.
Maraming salamat sa Manny Pay, part of the MPBL Preseason Invitational 2026. I think this is the biggest preseason that we've had here in the MPBL as far as I remember.
Well, I think that, well, maybe because this is the first time we're having it here in Manila.
Kasi kadalasan,
Kadalasan nasa probinsya.
Sa Jensan, di ba?
Nasa Jensan. And so, you know, the thirst for preseason maybe, you know, acceptable or gusto rin ng ating mga manonood dito sa Manila, sa Luzon.
Yambing, 7 na puntos galing sa kanya. 62-56, unti-unti lumalayo na dito ang Batangas City.
This is a 16-2 disparity in points in the paint for the Rum Masters this second half.
Yambing, susubok sa 3. Rebound controlled by Donochea. Ablaza, shot fake. Bouncing off a one Bataan Riser. And that sequence, lagpas kalahati na tayo dito sa ating fourth quarter. 4:44 left. Batangas cling on to the 6-point lead. Coach John Calios, Coach Toto Dohilio on the losing end earlier sa Kangani loss against Abra. Second game, pitting itong Batangas against Bataan. We'd like to thank Extreme, your one-stop shop appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Nagmamadali si Alfred Flores. Tabawan, nahanap si Mitchell Maines. Wala yung kanyang tres.
Again, nothing easy inside the paint. They got the paint touch, but there were 3 people inside to make it difficult and provide resistance for any attack by the Risers.
Importante. Tops it up inside. Ochea sa loob. Ablaza. May foul na naman na nabingwit. At tutungo sa 15-foot line si Sed.
They really are just running off reads, beating the defender, causing the defense to rotate.
Coach Mactan joined late
Last season, no?
Oo, kasi initially he was the head coach of Basilan.
That's right.
By the way, shout out to the new head coach of now, the Basilan Steel, si Coach Arnold Oliveros.
Yes.
Nanonood ngayon sa atin.
Coach Arnold, who...
Boy, bedista din yan.
Oh, bedista yan. I saw him one time as I got off the training of Riley in San Beda, Alabang, and I saw him walking along Alabang Hills, and I said, Coach Arnold yun.
Diba?
Tapos doon nagkakwentuhan kami, so doon niya sinabi sa akin na he was coaching ang Basilan, and you know, again, another Bedan right there, getting into coaching.
64-56 after 2 made free throws from Seda Plaza. Ives Sazon off target on the 3. 1 and done that time.
And right now, in as much as they're getting very clean looks from 3, are they second guessing themselves on whether they're gonna make that 3 or not?
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Wala nang 4 na minuto ang nalalabi dito sa ating laro. Oh, Rin William Bing! Swak na swak yung kanyang tres. 12 points for Rin William Bing, 7 coming here in the 4th.
Well, you immediately coach Mactan rising up. Didn't like that very casual closeout by Yves Sazon, that lift from 3 by Rin William Bing. Again, side-to-side ball movement, ending up with the guy lifting on the wing for Rin William Bing on that 3.
Biggest lead for Batangas at 11 points, 67-56. Rin William Bing, 12 points against his former team. Samahan mo pa dyan, 2 3 at 4 na rebound. Silang dalawa ni John Nerman.
Oo.
Magandang pa-welcome para dito sa Rom Masters.
Ang impressive dito is yung field goal shooting. 71% for Rin William Bing on a 5 of 7. Samantalang itong si John Nerman, maganda rin na naging shooting nito eh.
Flores, malayong 3 ulit. Niluwa. Plaza secures another rebound. Rebound number 7 for him to go along with his 8 points.
Clean looks yung mga nakukuha ng Risers pero hindi ma-convert from 3. Ganun yung nagiging psychological impact ng depensa nitong Ram Masters.
Shea with another offensive board. Under 3 minutes left. O'Neal Rim sa poste. Skip pass to King. Travel. That slight hesitation cost him that possession.
At first, he didn't believe it, but Coach Cholo says, that's a good call. You gotta let that go. He had a corner fill. See, Rin William Bing again dun sa side na yun. It has to be a skip swing. Never happened.
Parang naka 1-2-2 zone defense itong Batangas ngayon, ha?
Well,
or nag-shift na sila to a man.
yes.
Kanina kasi nasa taas si O'Neal Rim. Nice looking stroke from Chris Javier.
That's a zone that's somehow a bit familiar to me. And a lot of coaches use that now. Where you shift from zone to man. Rin William Bing, oh my.
Getting airborne for the layup. 14 points for Rin William Bing. Kani. to Chris Javier with 13 points. Doing his damage here in the fourth, trying to keep Bataan in it, down by 9 as we are down to the last 2 minutes of the fourth.
With their 3-point shooting, the Risers should still be in this. But they gotta defend.
Hinayaan si O'Neal Larim, Mintes, Lucas there to clean it up. King importante.
And again, yan ang nagiging strength talaga ng Batangas Rum Masters even from the previous season. That is offensive rebound number 18 for the Rum Masters.
O'Neal Larim lops it up, Yambing like a pogo stick. Almost a dunk.
Oh yes.
16 points. 11 coming here in the fourth.
The third quarter was John Nermal. The fourth quarter was William Bing.
This is just the first game, Coach Mike, but things are looking bright for Batangas City with their new acquisitions.
Oh my! And you know the regulars or the previous ones have really allowed these new guys to shore up and show a lot of contributions for them.
Bola babalik sa Batangas City.
When they started missing their threes, and the threes not falling, that's when things became difficult for the Risers. They got that lead because of the threes. And you know what's interesting from a analytics standpoint, Ken? There is a study that roughly about 70 to 80% of teams that do well in one quarter shooting threes will do bad in the succeeding quarters from that same stat line.
Javier, pasa palabas. Alfred Flores has yet to score here in the fourth.
He's gone cold.
Donochea putting in the finishing touches to this masterclass in the second half for the Rum Masters. Javier, wala.
That's the only shot that's been allowed by the Rum Masters. 3-point attempts. And because they're missing their shots, the good thing is this is just preseason. And so, kung ikaw ang Bataan Risers, you know now, these are things you gotta work on. That if you don't have, those 3-point makes, you gotta figure out some other ways of scoring. You gotta get some paint touches, paint finishes, if you're not making shots from 3.
Batangas City unveiling this new edition of their lineup. And boy, just from the looks of it, at least in this game, Coach Mike, a lot of things to pick up from this game from them.
Well, curiously for both teams. I mean, you pick up lessons that you get out of this game if you're the Risers, if you're the Rum Masters now. More or less, you get a glimpse of what the potential can be. But this man right here, Ken, William Bing,
started things off really nicely. First 5 points of the game galing sa kanya, Coach Mike. Nanlamig ng bahagya pero na-recover ng maganda in the fourth period. 11 of the 16 points to help Batangas City pull away, outscoring Bataan by 18 to finish things off here. Final score po natin, 60-41 Bataan Risers, 77 naman para sa Batangas City Tanduay Rum Masters. So they join Abra in winning their opening assignment in Group A. And things looking bright para dito sa Batangas City as they look to kickstart this campaign for them. Let's go courtside to Miss Mika Abisamis.
Maraming salamat. Ang dating Bataan Riser, ngayon ay Rum Master na si Rin William Bing with 16 points, 11 points sa fourth quarter. Kumusta naman at nakalaban mo sa unang beses dito sa preseason invitational ang dati mong team na Bataan?
Una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ko kay Lord sa binigay niyang lakas sa buong team sa akin. Isang privilege lang na makalaban yung team ko dati. Masayang experience to para sa akin at sa kanila din.
Rinwil, nakita ko kanina pagpasok ko sa dugout nyo, ang saya-saya lang ng lahat ng tao, no? Nagkakantahan, nagsasayawan, tuwing may makakashoot, nagfi-fist bump kayo. Parang ang saya-sayo nyo na magkakasama, no? Kumusta ba kayo sa practices at kumusta ang camaraderie nyo as a team ngayon na nag-uumpisa pa lang?
Yun nga, yung binubuo ng coaches, na coacholo, as a family, kung ano man, malungkot man yung isa, kailangan damayan, dapat masaya lang lahat.